gummy bears and fish gummies. Let's get right into the video. Let's go box first.
Okie dokie. Need to help you?
Yeah. It's super hard.
There you go. Pull it off. Pull it apart. Want me to help you or you got it?
I got it.
Okay.
There it is. There's the orange part. It's green.
Here, let me help you.
What the heck? I mixed my popsicles.
What does it taste like?
Fish.
Fish. That's just because you see the fish candy. What does it really taste like? Does it taste like blueberry, apple, orange?
Apple, orange.
It tastes like orange. You're eating a slime popsicle. So, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down? You don't like it?
I do.
Then it's a thumbs up. Silly. Is it slimerific?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's try the next one.
Okay.
3.
I'm gonna try the fish candy. Let's get open it.
Would you like me to help you or you got it?
I need you to help me.
Okay, I'll help you.
I'm gonna try the fish candy. Yay. I got a fish. Fishy, 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 fish. It's good.
Thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's super good. Give all my thumbs up.
You can't stop giving thumbs ups? That's how good it is?
Where did the fish go?
I don't know.
Does it sound like someone's eating it?
Oh, what's that? It sounds like somebody's eating it.
I'm gonna try a gummy mix.
What's all in there?
Gummy bears, rings.
Cherries?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Cherries. We got cherries, Coca-Cola, gummy bear rings, and the twin snakes. All your favorites. We just love gummies, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Are you eating the cherries?
Yeah.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs down.
You don't like them?
I like them.
Oh, okay.
Coca-Cola.
Yummy. Those are my favorite.
It is my favorite too. I'm gonna open it. Because you don't want to go to the dentist.
Eating Coca-Cola right now. We also have the twin snakes, the ring, and a gummy bear.
Oh, look, I should check the ring.
You gonna put the ring on?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, pretty, pretty.
Okay. Now we're going to try on popsicle again, see what I think.
You already know what you think about your popsicle. Twin snakes. Yee. Okay, try that one first. They're supposed to be sweet and sour.
Look.
The snake can kiss its tail.
No.
What is it doing then?
I'm trying to make a ring.
Oh, you're trying to make a ring. Oh.
I'm putting knife into it. So it didn't turn out really like a ring, but it's so pretty.
Is it sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Try this one.
But what?
And you're gonna eat the gummy bear too?
Huh?
Ah, the gummy bear's on the snake.
Uh-oh.
The little what?
A snake.
You gonna eat it all together? You're so crazy, silly girl. Okay, so gummies, the gummy mix, thumbs up or thumbs down? Good?
Okay. I can't believe I ate slime popsicles. The popsicles and candy were super good. My fish candy and gummy bears candy was my favorite candy.
Do you recommend them to your friends?
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Dancing Ellie. Thanks for watching. Back to our channel. Bye.